Prayer. Yes, the country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of this place and my heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall do my parents, teachers, and others respect and give everyone importance to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity along lies my happiness. My name is Sumati. I am Grade III Hazel. Today's international duty. New Zealand Coast suspends 2 million years and over created from Grade III Hazel. Today I am going to just make you. Quality technician and strange started caught by Warangal police. Then my day-to-day posting is I picking up some new sponsors for in India after begin level after beginning level workout. My name is Grade. I am studying in Grade III Hazel. Today's thought: wisdom is the ability to apply knowledge. I repeat my thought: wisdom is the ability to apply knowledge. Thank you. Today's international news is Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Balla takes oath as Nagaland Governor with additional charge. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Jyoti from Grade III Hazel. Today I am going to check a general knowledge which I read the question. Question for Grade 1. What is the shape of our head? Yes, you should the right answer. And the answer is circle. Let us appreciate it. Question for Grade 2. Which part of the plant is found underground? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is good. Let us appreciate it. Question for Grade 3. Which planet is known as red planet? Mars. Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Mars. Let us appreciate it. Question for Grade 4. Which continent is the largest by area? I repeat my question. Which continent is the largest by area? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Asia. Let us appreciate it.